Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise the sounds of letter A to L and to learn M to O. Are you ready? Okay, now let's learn A to L sounds. A axe, a arrow, b balloon, b boy, k cow, k cap, k cake, d d doll, d dolphin, d dog, a a engine, a envelope, a elephant, f, fish, fat, fan, g g goat, g girl, g gate, honey, hay, e e ink pot, e India, e igloo, j j joker, j jug, j jelly, k k k key, k kangaroo, k king, l line, lollipop, lamp. Okay, children. Now let's learn M to O sounds. Capital M, small m. M sound mango, mouse, man, map, monkey. Capital N, small n. N sound net, nurse, nails, nuts, nose. Capital O, small o. O sound a. Orange, octopus, ox, ostrich, onion. Okay, children. Now we have to learn sight words. Big, or, and, these, white. Now let's see how to use these sight words in the sentences. Let's read the sentences. That is a monkey. The elephant is big. It is an ostrich. She is a nurse. These are nails. Milk is white in color. Okay, children. Thank you, dear children. See you next time. Thank you.